So this is the single replacement reaction stoichiometry lab. So just like in preparation, I'm going to cut the aluminum foil first because that seems like easier. So, have my ruler here. I'm going to do a 12-inch by 3-inch piece. Approximately there. Cut a little bit more. So I'm going to weigh this foil here. Fold it up to make it easier to weigh. I'm going to weigh it in the weigh boat. Let's tear it. .13. Okay. That's a little bit low, so I will add a little bit more aluminum foil. Because I want it to be between 1.1, 1.4. Okay, so now it's at 1.43. So I'm going to use that. So I'm going to tear it into smaller pieces. I'm just going to keep it in the weigh boat right now until I measure out my solution. I'm just tearing that. I'm going to cut it. Okay, so now I have some good sized pieces. Just trying to make sure they're separated. Okay. And so I'm also going to measure out the 1 molar solution to see how much it should be. It should be 100 milliliters, but I want to be exact. So there's 50. And that's 50 as well, so it is like exactly 100, which is good. So now I have my 100 milliliter, and I'm going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon. So I have a spoon here, we'll see. I guess that's good. I'm just going to stir it until it dissolves. Okay, so it looks like the salt is all dissolved. And so now I'm going to add the foil pieces and stir it again. So I do notice some of the pieces are, the aluminum is turning brown on the outside. And it's also beginning to fizz. I'm going to let that sit for a second and take a photo of it for the lab. You can see it's cool. So in recording and observations, and it is like really steamy actually. So I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer. Okay, oops. Timer is set. Oh, it's really steamy. So it's not like fully brown and dissolving completely. Oh, it's dissolving and setting to the bottom. So I'm just gonna keep stirring. And so all the pieces are definitely at the bottom now. And so the aluminum will float, and so as long as there's no pieces at the top, it's like no longer just aluminum anymore. So I'm gonna let that keep sitting. And then once all the aluminum has reacted, I'm gonna let it sit for another 5 minutes and have all the copper sink to the bottom. Okay, and then I'll go through the filtration steps, and then the other activity, or the filtration, and then the oven method.